Alright, in this lecture I will show you how you buy a domain in Shopify. Click on Add Domain and Add Domains. Right over there, the blue button. Okay, wait. And wait. And right over here, you see your current domain. And I'm gonna show you in the next lectures how you connect your existing domain. But in this case, I want to show you how to buy the new domain. Alright, I'm gonna click on the buy new domain button and I will wait. And right over here, you're gonna search for your domain name. So what your domain name is supposed to be. So I'm gonna enter here skatestore9.com, for example, and you will click on this blue button and it will redirect you to your credit card information. And then you're done. So that was it for this lecture. So I will connecting your domain. Alright, in this lecture I will show you how you connect your domain to your Shopify store. Click on Online Store and navigate to the Domains button. Right over there. Domains. We will wait. Okay, right over here you see your current domain. That's skatestore.shopify.com. And there you can buy a new domain by the blue button. And here connect your own domain. So I'm gonna click on that. And I'm gonna connect my existing domain, and I will enter here jrf.site. It's for the course, so you enter here your domain and you hit next. Okay, right over here I'm gonna click on the blue button, on the view instructions button. It looks difficult on the first time, but it's not difficult. So I'm gonna explain to you. I will scroll down a little bit, and here is the IP of Shopify. Okay, and right over here in my cPanel, I'm gonna click on Advanced Zone Editor, and I'll wait. And right over here, I'm gonna select my primary domain where I wanna connect Shopify, your Shopify store with. I'm going to select jrf.site, and right over here you see a bunch of codes, so don't worry. Click on edit by your domain. This is jrf.site, and the address that we need, the Shopify IP, is right over there, right over here. So I'm going to copy this, the IP address of Shopify, and I'm going to paste it in. And I'm going to click on edit record soon. Okay, that's done. And now the second step, click on edit, click on CNAME, and connect here your shops.myshopify.com. So it will connect to your Shopify store. So I will enter it right over here and click on edit record. Okay, and then you're done. So now we're gonna do the last step, that's connecting it. Verify connection, and I will wait, and wait,